Hi there, my name is Dawyne, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload a file on Google Drive and you give a link to anyone so that everyone on the internet can access it. Could be on YouTube, could be on your Instagram page, could be on your Facebook page, could be on your website. Then anyone can just access that file that you share. Alright, so we're going to go to our browser and I'm going to put in Google Drive. So just type in Google Drive and yeah, just this is the thing here. When I go to Drive, so this is my drive here. When I go to New, when I go to File Upload, and I can look for my file on my computer. When I go to my scripts, so this is the file here that I want to share. When I go to Open, separate. I already uploaded, so it's just telling me whether I can keep it or what. So I'm gonna open it. So this is the file here. Now you can go back here. Sorry, I'm gonna close this and just go back. So this is the file here. You can just right click on it and go to Get Link. Now here, Get Link, you can choose whether it's restricted or anyone with the link can view it. And then you can also change here whether it's a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. So a viewer can use the link to view the file. You can copy the link and then paste it anywhere that you want. To keep it safe, let me just paste it in my channel here. This is a demonstration channel, so it doesn't really have stuff. Let me go to content and I'm gonna edit this video. I'm gonna go to description and I'm gonna paste here. Could be grab this file. Grab this file and I'm gonna paste it in here. This Control V or Command V if you're on the Mac, and yeah, it's done. So if I save changes, you can just go back here to my Google Drive and say I'm done. So when you go to YouTube, you can go to my channel, to this video. If I go to it, you can really see that I can just click on it and go straight, and anyone download it. Pretty easy, right? That's really simple. So you can really see how it's coming down here, and then you can just open it in any file opener that you do have. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any question or if you have any inquiries about any other thing concerning content creation and success tips and design, please let me know and I'll be able to answer you just as quick as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and bye bye.